Hi all, welcome back. So today we are going to see how to take attendance in a Google Meet while using our mobile phone. We all know that we can take attendance in Google Meet when we use the Google Meet in our mobile, in our desktop and laptop. But we also have a provision to take attendance when we use Google Meet in our mobile phone. Now let us move into it. Now for that, what you need to do is, we need to first download a browser called Kiwi browser, which is available in Play Store. So you can go to Play Store and type Kiwi browser. So KIWI, Kiwi browser. So once you type it, you will get this Kiwi browser. Open this Kiwi browser and go to this three-dot icon on my extreme right at the top. Click that and go to settings. So when you go to settings, you can go to site settings and go to site settings and then click desktop mode by default. So I have enabled it, so you have to enable this desktop mode by default. Now after doing, go to home, click Chrome Web Store extension, type Chrome Web Store extension. You will be taken to a Chrome Web Store extension. So you have to do this in the same Kiwi browser. Now under the search, type Google Meet attendance. Now please remember, I am working everything in my Kiwi browser. So Google Meet attendance. Okay, you can see here the extension comes here. I have already installed this extension, so in your case it will ask you to install. So click install. Once you install it, it will be installed in your browser. Now okay, now come back to home, go to Google Meet. Okay, I am directly going to my Google. Now when you go to Google Meet for the first time, you will have your Google Meet attendance here at the bottom. You have to click it. So only when you click it, as soon as you open your Google Meet, you have to go to this. Again I tell you, after adding the extension into your browser, go to Google Meet, click this three button icon, go to the bottom. You will have a Google Meet at the bottom. Click that Google Meet attendance. So once you click that, you will get this attendance icon here. Now what I will do, I will join this attendance, join this Google Meet. Now you can see here, I have joined this Google Meet and I will share this Google Meet details so that I will join with another phone also. Let me take my another mobile. So I'm going to join this meet so that I will show you how we are actually taking the attendance. So I'm going to join MNT-DHRQ-SIR. Okay, so I am joining. So you can see here, so I am joining. Yes. So I have joined in my meeting. Now what I'll do, I will take the attendance. Now you will have this Google Meet attendance icon which you have been using in your desktop, so you don't have to worry. So I will just click this down. go to this attendance part. Now you can see I have not cleared the earlier list, but still there are 3 participants. Okay, you can see here, and I will click the save button. Once I click the save button, I can download it, and if I want to open it, I can open it and see. Yes, you can see here that we have the attendance here, like how we have in our desktop and laptop. Now another drawback in this Kiwi browser is that it never allows you to present your screen. So you can talk to your students, but presenting your screen is not possible. Therefore, what I will do, I will present screen from my another mobile. So if you are going to use your mobile phone for Google Meet class, then you may be required for using 2 mobile phones, because in one phone may be used for taking your attendance, and you can come out after taking out the attendance. You can join the same using a normal browser, or you can simultaneously use 2 mobile phones, one for taking attendance and one for presenting your screen. So please remember, if you want to take attendance in a Google Meet, please use your Kiwi browser to take the attendance, and after taking the attendance you can come out from this Meet itself, or you can come out from the browser and you can use your normal browser to present your screen. Or if you don't want to do that, you can join with 2 devices, one with your laptop and the other one with your mobile phone. So using your mobile phone, you can take attendance. By the way, if you're using your laptop, then there is no need for a mobile phone. But if you are going to use exclusively your mobile phone, then you have to use the Kiwi browser first to take the attendance, and then you have to come out from the browser and then you have to do the presentation. Or you can use you can use 2 mobile phones, and you can see I'm using my second mobile phone to do the presentation. So in the first mobile I have taken the attendance, and in the second mobile I am using for my presentation. Learn how to use your mobile phone to take attendance in Google Meet. So now I want to take attendance again. So what I will do, I am again taking attendance. So now I have taken the attendance again. I am opening. So you can see my attendance list is here.